In this video, I'll demonstrate the VOICEAI app using the voices of President Trump, Barack Obama, and Joe Biden. A link to this app can be found in this video's description. If you want to make funny gaming or prank videos using presidential voices, you can record your voice and upload it to make it sound like current or former U.S. presidents. Here are 3 samples of what President Trump, Joe Biden, and Barack Obama sound like. For best results, you should do your best impression while recording or speaking.
This is a test of President Donald Trump using VOICEAI.
This is a test of President Joe Biden using VOICEAI.
This is a test of President Barack Obama using VOICEAI.
The free version only allows you to upload an audio recording, while the pro version can change your voice in real time and provide higher quality results. One tip, when recording, be sure to adjust the microphone input volume. You want to aim for 75% when talking. VOICEAI is currently available for Windows Desktop, but will soon be available for Mac, iOS, and Android. If this video was helpful to you, please do me a favor and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day.